All right, guys, so we're going to look at this problem and we are going to cube it. We are going to use our cubes to solve this problem. All right, Matthias had 3 $5 bills and one $10 bill for his grocery shopping trip. When he got to the checkout, his total was $28.35. He put back a can of corn that was $1.85 and a loaf of bread that was $1.99. After he put back the corn and the bread, did he have enough money for his order? Okay, you see right there, it says before you solve, cube it. So the C stands for what? What does the C stand for, Gavin? Circle important numbers and labels. Okay, so what do we see? Hudson? $28.35. Okay, let's get that circled. Let me get my pen on. So $28.35. What else do we see, Maddie? $1.85. What else do we see, Hannah? $1.99. Is there anything else you would circle, Madeline? Yeah, so we've got 3 $5 bills and we've got one $10 bill for his grocery shopping trip. Okay, the next step is to underline the question. So we want to know, did he have enough money for his order? Do you see any operation clue words that we could use to solve this problem? Kenny? Oh, I see total, so we're going to box that word. Anything else? What do you see, Gavin?
Put back.
Okay. Well, yeah, I guess we could do that. He put back the corn and the bread. Okay, so let's look. First of all, what label will your answer have? What is the label? What are we talking about here? Gavin? No. What's the label? Remember, I gave you examples of labels. What's the label, Hudson? The label is money. Money. Okay, the label is money. We're looking for money. What information do you have to help you solve the problem? Well, what kind of information do I have? I know that he has how much? He has 3 $5 bills and one $10 bill. How much money would that be? 25, is that what you said? 1 10 and 3 5, that'd be $25. So he has $25. What else do we know? It says has $25. Here, I'll zoom it in. What else do we know? What was his total? Angel? His total was $28.35. What did he do? He put back the corn, which was $1.85. And he put back the bread, which was $1.99. So see, we're just kind of looking and we're just kind of gathering all of our information. What information do we need to solve the problem? What do you think we need? I know the total. I know what he put back, but what do I need to figure out? What do you think, Madeline?
If you're adding or subtracting.
Okay, we do need to figure out, are we adding or subtracting? Are we doing both? So we could say that. What operation? What else do we need to solve the problem? What about the total of how much money he put back? Right? He put back the corn and he put back the bread, but what was the total amount of that, right? Okay, so I'm just going to say amount of, I'm going to say put back. Okay, and we know that we're talking about this, right? Because if you look up, we know that he put back the corn and the bread. Anything else that we need to solve the problem that you can think of? What do you think, Ricky? Okay, we'll go back to that. Okay. All right, guys, so let's go look up here. Let's start solving the problem. Step 1, how much money did Matthias have to go shopping? Okay, so we know he had 3 $5 bills, which was how much? How much money is 3 $5 bills? 15. 1 $10 bill. Okay, if you add that together, line them up, drop it down, fill it in. So he had a total of $25. What was the value of the food he put back? How much did the corn cost? Angel?
$1.85.
And then how much did the bread cost, JJ?
$1.99.
Am I going to add or am I going to subtract? Add, because I want to know how much money it was that he put back. So I'm going to line them up, drop it down. There's nothing to fill in. 9 plus 5, 14, carry your 1. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1 is 18, carry your 1. That's 3. So he put back $3.84. Guys, y'all can catch up on the writing part of it in just a minute, okay? I'm going to keep moving since I'm recording this for our online friends. So y'all don't worry about filling this in right now. Y'all just follow along. Okay, so now that we have the total, we have how much money he's put back. So after he removed the value of the food he put back, how much money had he spent? Well, what was the total, Gavin? $28.35. How much money did he put back? How much, Axel? The total. $3.84. Okay, now I need to add or subtract because I want to know how much money he's spending now. So what would I do, Jonas? Subtract. So we're going to line up our decimals, drop the decimal down, fill in any empty spots with 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Can I do 3 minus 8? Nope, got to go borrow. Borrow from the 8. The 8 becomes a 7. The 3 becomes a 13. I'm adding 10 to that 3. 13 minus 8 is what? 5. Good. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. So now he only is going to be spending $24.51. So let's look at that last step. Did he have enough money for his order? How much money did he start with? $25. How much is he spending now? $24.51. Did he have enough money? Yes. Yes, he has enough money.